Morning, it's August the 30th 2025 and today it's a bit overcast, which is good. Makes it a bit cooler. It's 26 degrees today, which is perfect working conditions for me, because today I've got a busy day. Today I've got to mix this lot to make concrete for my shed floor. So, got my reinforcing ready. So just before I do the concreting, I just need to drill some holes into the existing concrete, and I will put some of this reinforcing in the holes and tie it to this new reinforcing. So, and then I will raise this reinforcing off the floor a bit so concrete can go underneath it and on top of it. So that's the plan now. Let's crack on. Okay, so I've tied it into the existing concrete, so hopefully it won't move, and I've raised the reinforcing off the ground so we get concrete underneath it and above it. Now comes the hard work. I have to mix this concrete. I've worked out it's about 0.6 cubic meters, so I've got to mix it by hand using this bath and a bit of manpower. So this is my next job. Well, 8:30 in the morning, we're halfway there. Luckily I got Dad to help me, so it made a big help. So I think this has taken three mixes of this tub, so that works out 2 barrels full of stone, half a bag of cement, 1 barrel full of sand. That's 3 mixes. So I'm hoping maybe 2 more mixes might just about do it, maybe 2.5. But boy, was I sweating. I just had to have a shower. I was absolutely drenched in sweat. So I told Granddad, so we'll have a rest, have a cup of tea, a cup of coffee and some breakfast, and then we'll crack on in about half an hour. Okay, catch you later.
Dad didn't come back, so I had to finish it on my own. But I managed to get it done. I'm too old for this game. Next time I'll pay someone. So, it's in. I'll let it go off for about an hour and then float it off, and then we'll pop the buoy eye, have a rest. Okay, I'll catch you later.
There we have it. The concrete base is finished. After a lot of hard work, we got there in the end. So, the shed build is really starting to take shape now. Next, we'll be moving on to the concrete block walls, and we'll be moving that existing window to the wall alongside the fence. If you're enjoying this shed build series, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss part 4. Okay, we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.